Hi, I'm Michael Wiesner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a rear end of a car. Let's get started. Alright, to first begin with drawing our rear end of a car, I'm going to first start off by drawing out the body of our car. Now whenever we're drawing out the rear end of our car, we want to remember that cars are built to be aerodynamic. So whenever they have air coming out, they shoot out over the car, so the back end won't bring the air down and cause a drag. So add a bit of a box to the back of it, put in the rear bumper, like so. Then after that, you start hardlining the rest of the vehicle. And then you can add some other stuff, like a bit of a tail fin right here, a wheel right here, wheel right here, drawing the car door. There you have it. And that's how you draw the rear end of a car. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.